Right, let's do the question. In the diagram, ABCD is a parallelogram. There's key information there. And then AE is equals to AB. Also very important there. AC is equals to AD. And D is equals to Y. Right, prove that triangle ACD is similar to triangle AEB. And then we have to prove that AD times AE is equals to AC times AB. And then after that, we're going to prove that AC over CD is equals to AE over EB. All right. So from the information that we're given, right, it says ABCD is a parallelogram. So you have to think now, what are the properties of a parallelogram? Right, we know that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. We also know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are what? Are equal. Okay. AE is equals to AB. We check that. Right. So it forms AEAB. So it means there we can talk of what? Angles opposite, equal sides. Same with AC and AD there. We can talk about angles opposite, equal sides. You see that? So the information is very, very important. Read the information and try to get some points that are going to assist you in the what? In answering the question. Right, now let's go to the first part. So what do we usually do? We're going to start with A, which is proving that the two triangles are similar. So we'll start by what? We'll start by matching the angles. Right, so which triangles are we looking at here? Triangle ACD. Right, we have triangle ACD. Or let me go back. We have triangle ACD and triangle AEB. Okay, right, so let's start with triangle ACD. A there will be A1, so it means A1 is equals to, or let me just not write equal sign because you have to prove that they're equal. So A1 will go with D. Okay. We're looking at triangle ACD and triangle AEB. AEB. So A goes with A. So angle A1 will go with angle A3. Oh, what am I doing now? Big mistake like this. Right, okay. So angle A1 will go with angle A3. And then angle C in triangle ACD. Angle C, it means it's C1, isn't it? Right, C1 will go with angle E, so it's going to be E2 there. If you check, it's going to be E2 in triangle AEB. And then angle D will go with angle B. Angle D will go with angle B. And then D there in triangle ACD is D. And then we'll go with angle B. And then B there is B. You see that? Right. Now, we're saying in triangle, now we have to write our triangle, our angles with what? With the reasons. Why are we saying they are equal? Right. In triangle ACD and triangle AEB, okay, we've managed to match our angles, so it should be easy for us. So we're saying angle A1 is equals to angle A3. Okay. Or let's check the one that is going to be easy to find. What about angle C1 and angle E2? What about angle D and angle B? I think this is the easy one to do first. Right now, let's say angle D is equal to angle B. Why is angle D equals to angle B? These are opposite angles of parallelogram. These are opposite angles of parallelogram. Right, and then now, these two are equal. Right, and then, but angle E2 and angle B are equal then. So let's have it here. So angle B or let me say angle E2 is equals to angle B. Okay, or this one, let me write Y here because it's equal to Y. Angle B is equal to Y, right? Why? These are angles opposite equal sides. Angles opposite equal sides, right? AB is equals to AE. AB is equals to AE. Okay, right? And then again, C1 is equal to what? Is equal to angle D, isn't it? Is equal to angle D is equal to Y, because these are what? The angles opposite equal sides. AC and AD are equal. Angles opposite equal sides, right? AC is equals to AD. You see that? So now from here, what can we say? We can say that therefore C1, remember what, starting with triangle ACD. So therefore C1 is equals to a E2, because both of them are equal to Y. So C1 is equals to what? Is equals to E2. C1 is equal to E2 because they are both equals to Y. So there we can write it and say, therefore, C1 is equals to E2. You see that? Right. And then we've done two pairs now. We've done angle D and angle B, and then angle C1 and angle E2. Now we're left with angle A1 and angle A3. We need to prove that. So what can you say that angle A1 is equal to angle A3? Angle A1 is equals to angle A3. Okay. Why? Third angle of triangle. Right. And then therefore triangle ACD is similar to triangle. If you check here, A goes with A, so it's angle A there, and then C goes with E, so it's E there, and then D goes with B, it's D there. So angle ACD, no, D goes with B, sorry, D goes with B. I'm making mistakes. Right, D goes with B. So therefore, angle ACD is similar to triangle AEB. Okay, why? Angle. Right, so we prove that the two triangles are similar. Right, now let's go to the second part. What did it say? We're supposed to prove that, or we did that. So we're supposed to prove that AD times AE is equals to AC times AB. And remember, we have that triangle ACD is similar to triangle AEB. So from here, we can say that AC over AE okay, is equals to CD over EB is equals to AD over AB. Okay, right. Why? Because these are similar triangles. Okay, and then now if we check here, we have AD, AD, and then AE, AE there, AC, AC, AB, AB. So we're going to use these two. So therefore, right, AC over AE is equals to AD over AB. Okay, right. Now what do we do? If we just cross multiply, is it going to work? Let's see. AD times AE, and then AC times AB. Yes, it's working. Right, so now we have this, we'll cross multiply this with this, and then we multiply this with, we say AD times AE is equals to AC times AB. Okay, done. That's the first or the second question. And then let's do question C. Let's do question C. We're required to prove that AC over CD is equals to AE over BE. Right, so again, we're using our similarity statement. So we are saying AC over AE is equals to CD over EB is equals to AD over AB. Okay, and then we have AC there, AC there, AE there, AE there, then CD, CD, BE, BE and A and BE and EB is just the same thing. So therefore, AC over AE is equals to CD over BE. Right, and then now, if you check here, we have AC over CD and then AE over BE. So we can interchange CD and AE there. That's a cross multiplication technique there that we can use. So therefore, we can interchange AE and CD and then say therefore AC over CD is equals to AE over BE. Done. Just interchanging what? Interchanging AC, interchanging CD and AE. We can also use our common fractions. Let's say we have 2 over 5 is equals to 4 over 10. These are equivalent fractions. We can interchange this and say 2 over 4 is equal to 5 over 10. Do you see that these things are just the same? 2 over 4 is half, 5 over 10 is half. You can also even interchange this if you want. And it becomes 10 over 5 is equals to 4 over 2. 10 over 5 is 2, 4 over 2 is 2. Do you see that? Okay, so these are the skills that you should be able to use. Right, we're going to meet in our next activity.